Did you know the northern shrike, often called the butcher bird, is a songbird with the hunting style of a raptor? Despite weighing less than a robin, this fierce predator uses its hooked bill to catch small birds, rodents, and insects. What makes it especially unique is its habit of impaling prey on thorns, twigs, or even barbed wire to store food for later, much like a butcher hanging meat. This behavior, combined with its bold, black facial mask and stealthy ambush tactics, gives the northern shrike a reputation far more fearsome than its size suggests. In winter, when it moves south from its Arctic breeding grounds, it can often be spotted perched high on utility wires or lone trees, scanning the landscape for its next meal.